Hi all, in this video we will see how to add parameters to a database profile. Parameters allow us to insert dynamic values into our query, typically in the where clauses to filter the results. For example, if we want to extract only records that have been created or modified since the last time the process ran, we can design the query to accept a date value that is passed into the connection. And to use the parameters, we need to modify the SQL statement. So for that, we have to create a database profile where the statement type is select. So I have created a database profile, sample database profile with the type as select. When we click on the statement uh, in the data elements tab on the statement, I have written an SQL statement to select the order ID, customer name, order date from the sales order HDR where the division is equal to and order date is greater than. So this query contains two placeholders, the division and the order date. So in the profile, we need to define two parameters. So in this profile, in this particular database profile, now we need to define two parameters that will be passed into this query's placeholders. Basically, the two question marks, division and the order date. So for that, we need to add the parameters. I have already added these parameters. So now I'll delete it and add it again for the reference. I'm deleting these parameters. So this is my statement. So I'm selecting these fields where the division is equal to and order ID is greater than. So click on add multiple parameters. Since I have two parameters, I'm adding two parameters. Click OK. So these are two input parameters. So one is division is equal to, so division equal to, and the other one is order date greater than. I have added these two parameters and after adding these parameters, click on save. So when we run the process, the values defined in the connection step for the parameters will be passed into this query and replace the question marks before executing the SQL statement against the database. So, so the parameter values, these inputs will pass it from here. So in this way, we will add the parameters in the database profile. And if you want to delete a parameter, we can click on this down arrow, inverted triangle, and delete parameter. Click on delete parameter. Thank you.